All right, the Bull and the Patriot for the collars and the drive caps. The Patriot and the Bull, we send out with our package the drive cap, which does a 2 3/8 Schedule 40 post, and it also does the eye post, the patented eye post system for no dig aluminum fence. It's got that trough cut out of it that fits right on there. This will also do your corner eye post as well. This drive cap does both. So this is corner eye post, your 2-inch eye post, and your 2 3/8 Schedule 40. This collar is the right size for the 2 3/8. You don't want to use too big of a collar. You need to use the right size collar. We have a 3-inch collar, but don't use a 3-inch collar on a 2 3/8. That will allow this post to move around in there too much and will actually start to blow out the side of the collar. So this collar, the smaller collar, is made for the 2 3/8 and the eye post. Both. To switch colors, you loosen all 4 of the Allens and the 13 millimeter nuts. Pull the collar out. Put the other one in there. When you do that, tighten down the Allen screw first before you tighten down the 13 millimeter. Get all 4 of those snug. The 13 millimeter is just a keeper nut to hold the Allen from back spinning out of it. You get a lot of vibration. It's pretty violent driving these posts. Once those Allens are tight, then to 13 millimeter and tighten that down. We're just getting that snug. These are just keepers. 13 millimeter just to keep that Allen from backing out. This is something you should be checking every single day to make sure these are snug, not working their way out. Just like that. Then you use a 2 7/8 drive cap for your 2 7/8 Schedule 40 post. This also does your 2.5 inch eye post as well. So your commercial grade eye post, 2.5 inch, will be that drive cap. We also have, with the smaller collar, with the 2 3/8 Schedule 40, we've got the 1 5/8 and the 1 7/8 drive caps. It's important to use the right size. The top of the drive cap's the same, but the inside of the drive cap's different. We don't want that drive cap to move around like that. We want that drive cap to be a little tighter than that. So they're a little bit different diameters on the bottom side for your 1 7/8 and your 1 5/8. For postmasters, your winged post, we have another collar. It's got a slot cut out of it. This will work for the Postmaster Standard with Postmaster Standard drive cap, which is different than the Postmaster Plus drive cap. Those are different. They're not interchangeable. So we have one collar, both those caps. If you're putting in 2-inch steel ornamental product and you're driving the 2-inch post, a drive cap for that. Same collar. So this collar works for all 3 of these drive caps. Right there. For all 3. And we have the 3.0 Postmaster Post drive cap as well in production right now. You can order those now. So the Postmaster 3.0 version, we have that drive cap to fit that as well. So that's as easy as it is for switching out the collars, using the right drive caps, so you can take it to Pound Town.